plus the airline security measure that leads to costly decisions.
I've literally seen people crying as their $300 or $400 bottle of alcohol is dumped in, in the disposal bin.
The American company behind a high-tech solution that could rewrite the rules. The news is back in the morning here on CBS This Morning. Stay tuned for your local news.
Plus, it could change the rules for airline security, how an American company is using new technology to tell the difference between safe liquids and the ones that pose a real threat. That story's ahead. And a breakthrough in airline security is coming out of a lab.
I'm Terrell Brown. An American company has developed a device that can scan liquids for explosives. How this could ease the air travel experience. Coming up on CBS This Morning.
It has been 7 years since a major change in airline security, but restrictions for carry-on liquids could someday become a thing of the past. That is because of an American-made scanning device. It's now being installed at airports in Europe. Terrell Brown is with us. Terrell, good morning.
Hey, Charlie, good morning to you. An Ohio-based company has developed a new type of liquid scanner that works fast enough to serve the world's busiest airports without compromising security. At this research park, scientists have staged an explosion that could occur on board an airplane. The explosive is a clear liquid that could easily be mistaken for water. Why do this?
These, liquids are readily available. Currently, our airports prevent these from going onto the planes in these quantities, but it's a huge inconvenience to the traveling public.
Data from the experiment is used by scientists at Battelle, a research group based in Columbus, Ohio. Here they produce one of the most advanced airport scanners in the world. The portable machine can detect liquid explosives concealed in any type of container in a matter of seconds. How does it work?
We take our container. Here we have a baby bottle, just common formula inside. Place it on the sensor, and within 2 to 3 seconds, we get a result. We can do the same kind of test with a flammable liquid, maybe something we don't want to go through. In this case, we have some kerosene. 2 seconds, get an alarm.
The need for this technology goes back to 2006, when British authorities foiled a terrorist plot to blow up airliners using liquid explosives hidden in soda bottles. In response, strict limits were placed on the amount of liquids air travelers could carry.
I've literally seen people crying as their $300 or $400 bottle of alcohol is dumped in, in the disposal bin.
To make sure the scanner quickly determines whether a liquid is harmful or safe, researchers collected data on thousands of everyday items, from hand soap to baby oil to maple syrup. Cocktail sauce isn't explosive. Hot sauce isn't, of course.
Absolutely not.
What are you testing?
These are all things that could commonly be carried through by the public, and we need to ensure that the system does not alarm on these.
The LS10 is already being phased in at several European airports, where officials plan to lift restrictions on carry-on liquids by 2016.
If new explosives are discovered or new mixtures are created, the system can be updated.
So far, the LS10 has not been approved for use in the United States. But in a statement to CBS News, the TSA said that the relaxation of limitations on liquids, aerosols, and gels in carry-on bags remains a long-term goal. Over 100 units are being shipped to airports around the world each month, offering air travelers some relief while maintaining a level of security they have come to expect.
The information really is there to make them safer, make travel safer, and allow them to more conveniently do their travel.
The LS10 is now being installed at several major airports, including London Heathrow. Officials there hope to have them fully operational by the end of January, when new rules come into effect that would allow connecting travelers to carry duty-free liquids past security. Charlie, Nora.
All right, Terrell, thank you.